G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're doing a fashion haul, a winter fashion haul. I've bought a bunch of stuff online and I'm going to be opening it and trying it on for you guys to see and maybe get some inspiration for what to wear in winter. Currently in the southern hemisphere it's winter. I know in the northern hemisphere it's summer, but plan ahead. So I've bought everything off a store called The Iconic, which is an Australian online store, but everything I've bought is pretty generic, so I'm sure you can get it on other online sites like ASOS and heaps of other sites. So this is already unboxed. So I've got a denim shirt and we've got a grey chinos. In here, what do I have? I don't know. Let's open it up. Okay, yeah, this is they're like trainers. Oh yeah, they're kind of like, they look denim, but they're actually like track pants. They're kind of made of denim, but they've got more of a trainer feel. Trainer style. And then we've got similar one, but a lighter color. That's there. What do we have in this bag? Okay, this is just like a white sweater, white top, cable top, not sure what you call it. And the jackets will be in here. Okay. Oh jeez, heavy. So this is the Colin Puff Parker, a black parka. Oh, it's quite soft. It's got a hoodie. And then lastly, we have a denim jacket, but it's lined with Sherpa wool, like it's got a lining, so it's quite thick. Alright, so that's my winter fashion haul. I'm going to try it on and you guys can see what it looks like. I'll do a few different combinations, and the shoes I'm going to pair it with is classic winter shoes. We've got the wheat Timberlands and my favourite, the navy Timberlands. Get yourself a pair if you don't have one. Alright, let's try it on. Alright, so first we'll start with the grey chinos. They fit pretty well. And they sit pretty nicely. Alright, so we've got the grey chinos on. We'll pair that with this white top. It's very fleecy. It's very fleecy. Bit oversized, but it's good. How does that look? And what jacket should I put on? I'll put the denim jacket on. Alright, denim jacket. That's the inside of it. I'm sure this would keep anyone warm this winter. And I reckon we're going to pair that with the wheat Tims. What do you think? It's good? Do I look cool? Yeah, I feel cool in this. I'm going to a bar and be like, yo, what's up? I'll try it on with the navy Tims for you guys as well. How does it look with the navy? Okay, so this is really warm. I've got to say this is really warm and thick. So don't worry about keeping warm with a denim jacket on. I think it looks good with these like neutral coloured chinos as well. You wouldn't want to do double denim, would you, with this? Anyway, alright, so we'll try on the black jacket now. Okay, so this is a black parka. It's the Colin Puff Parka. And the brand, I'll put the link in the description of all the different links to the different items, and if you can find them elsewhere, I'm sure you can buy them, and I'm pretty sure the Iconic does international shipping as well. But like I said, these are all pretty basic items, so you should be able to find similar items at any other store. Oh, it's like double zipped up in the middle as well. This should be pretty warm. Feels warm. Just as warm as that fleecy one. Right, we'll leave it unbuttoned. And there you go, there's the look. It's a bit more street. Right, I'll show you what it looks like zipped up. There's double zip, there's a zip on the inside. Double zip it. Oh yeah. How's that? I'll try it on with the Wheat Timbs as well. It's good when you have a dark outfit like this, dark top, grey pants, just to highlight it with a bit of wheat Timberlands. Lets the outfit pop out. Starts raining. Okay, cool. That is the dark parka. And then the last thing I really need to try on is going to be the pants. So we'll take the jacket off because it's freaking hot. I'll leave this on and I'll let you see what it looks like with the other pants. Alright, so this is these pants. And yeah, these are interesting pants. They feel and kind of look like jeans, but they also feel more like track pants. So they're more casual. But you can probably get away with wearing them down to the shops or around town. I especially like this colour with the Wheat Timbs, I think looks good. You've got this oversized top. So, what do you think? By the way, guys, let me know in the comments below which outfit you think is the best, which items are the best. I want to know your opinion. Let me know. Okay, so that's these pants. We'll try on the darker ones now as well. Okay, so as you can see, these are the darker ones. So that's that, and I'd probably, because they're a bit darker, I'd probably wear these with the darker Timberlands as well. And then there you can see the outfit. Okay, so again, yeah, nice little casual outfit. And if you want, I'll try on a jacket. Which jacket should I try on with it? Alright, we'll start. That's the jacket. And that's a cool little outfit as well. I feel like this is what you would wear in New York when it's really cold, like walk out, all New York style. Okay, then lastly, that'll be that outfit. Lastly, guys, I'm going to show you the denim shirt. So what am I going to pair that with? Not denim, but I'm going to pair that with the chinos. Make sure you always have a pair of chinos. Can't go wrong with chinos. Alright, so we're going to do the shirt. Jack and Jones denim looking shirt. Now I've seen a lot of these shirts around, especially in summer you'll see them a lot lighter because it is winter here down where I am. A darker one is preferred. And that is the shirt. Let's tuck this down. And because it is a darker denim, I'm gonna wear my darker Tims with this. And again, nice little smart casual outfit. We can try that with the denim jacket. Don't know, denim shirt, denim jacket. Can you get away with that? Maybe. Maybe if you're looking stylish like this. And lastly, you know what? I'll try on the other jacket with it as well. There you go. Alright guys, that is it. That is what I've bought this winter. And like I said, let me know what you guys think. Hopefully there's some good ideas for you. As I mentioned earlier, I will put all the links in the description. Comment below what you thought's good. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and that'll be it for today. Guys, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.